Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good afternoon. It's the first day that I'm filming after I went over 10,000 subscribers. Hope you guys watched the 10,000 subscriber milestone video that I made. It took me several months and a lot of fabrication to get that video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you all for your support, as well as the guys that have supported me, as well as my sponsors. Wouldn't have done it without you, and without you, there'd be no reason to even have a video, you know? Anyway, so I'm pretty happy about things, the way things have gone in the past 3-4 years, and never did I think I would ever reach 10,000 subscribers, so I'm completely stoked. Very hot day today, 90-ish, and out of the blue, some lady on Facebook Marketplace messaged me about buying this tractor. As you guys know, I have listed this for $725 for the longest time because the price was too high for this machine. But I always said, some nut will buy it. Today's the day. She said if I would take 700, and I said yes. And then she asked me if I could deliver it. I said yes. But I can only deliver it if it's somewhat nearby. I'm not driving all the way to Montauk or Hamptons or something to deliver it. You know what I mean? It's a 2-hour drive over there. Round trip, 4 hours. Gas, loading, unloading. And then you don't want to deliver it there. And then when you unload it, they're like, you know what? I don't want it. Just blew 4 hours of your life loading and unloading. Wasted gas money for nothing, right? So I said to the lady, I'll deliver it. I don't want to deliver it, but if it'll help you out, I'll deliver it for $100 fee, which you will pay me in advance for the entire tractor and the delivery fee in advance. She goes, oh, do I have to come and drive to you and give it to you? I says, no, you can pay me whichever you want. She goes, oh, do you have Venmo? I says, I don't, and I don't want to use Venmo. I only have PayPal. So she PayPal'd me $800. They charged a $20-something service fee, which they do now. Venmo they don't, and Zelle they don't. But either way, she said she'll give me $24 in cash when I get there. So I'm gonna start this baby up, and hopefully it'll fire up. So there you go. Sold the thing for 800 bucks. Very, very cool. Stoked about selling it. I didn't think I was going to sell it, but and it wasn't all that far. It was about 5 miles away from my house, so all good. And I only have one tractor left to sell, that Toro LX 460. Awesome day so far.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.